Online course creation explained step by step. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. Hello and welcome. In this video and in this series of videos, I'm going to take you through online course creation at quite a high level, but I want to take you through the key steps step by step. So if you're completely new to it, you'll hopefully find this a really good summary, exposition, if you like, of the whole process. Online course creation isn't actually difficult, but it can seem complicated. If you're coming at this for the first time, then there's lots of stages and lots of steps and lots of detail which you'll need to understand and gradually learn over time. But unless you have an initial framework to work with, then you're going to find it really difficult. And I want to work with you through this process to help you to understand the whole process step by step, and that will hopefully make it easier for you. My name is John Colley. I'm an online course creator. I'm also very much into digital marketing. I'm a 30-year investment banker. I've had 2 investment banking firms of my own. And so I'm also an entrepreneur, and now I'm a digital entrepreneur. I created my first online course in 2013, and I've pretty well been creating them non-stop ever since. And I love doing it, and I really hope you're going to enjoy doing it too. In these years, I've created over 4,000 videos. I reckon that's about 330 hours of video content and over 40 courses. And my courses are changing and being amalgamated and being moved around the whole time. It's a moving feast. It's not a sort of something that stands still, but I hope you're going to enjoy what I've got to share with you now.